All right, guys, this is the first lesson in Unit 9. So this is 9.1, Introduction to Quadratics and Solving by Factoring. So first of all, we want to talk about the quadratic form. Specifically, we're going to be working with the standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, a, b, and c are all going to be numbers that we're replacing, integers or fractions that we'll be replacing with in our standard form. Quadratics, just as a reminder, make the shape we call a parabola. And a parabola looks like this. It's different from a absolute value because it's curved on the vertex or that point where it reflects. Specifically, we want to talk about where our parabola crosses the x-axis. Now, where it crosses the x-axis or meets the x-axis are called answers to quadratic equations. We also call these solutions. We call them roots. We call them zeros and x-intercepts. So any four of these names might be used to describe where my parabola intersects my x-axis. Now, we have three basic types of solutions. We have one solution, which might look something like this. Crosses the x-axis once. We can also have something that looks like this. How many solutions do I have here? Two solutions. And then finally, I can have something that looks like this, which would have no solutions. It does not cross the the x-axis. Basically, the big idea here is that if I multiply x and y together, either x has to equal 0 or y has to equal 0 in order for this to be true. And that's how I'm going to use this principle to find these zeros or these solutions.